Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your data and making sure the phone won't die mid-process. Backup contacts and any saved Wi-Fi passwords because resetting network clears them. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings. Scroll to General Management. This is where Samsung Group System resets. You're beginning a targeted reset, not a factory wipe, so it focuses on network connections. Make sure you're signed into the device so you can reconnect accounts after the reset. Now you'll execute the reset step. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. This lists Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth as affected items. You should read that list so you know what will change. When ready, tap Reset Settings and the phone will ask for your screen lock PIN, pattern, or password. This prevents accidental changes. Enter your credentials and confirm. The system immediately clears network configs and saved networks, so make sure you have Wi-Fi password. After the reset completes, reboot the phone to ensure services restart cleanly. You should then reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and repair any Bluetooth devices. This restores normal connectivity. If mobile data doesn't work, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off, and verify APN settings under mobile networks. If you still see no signal, reinsert the SIM or contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning needs refreshing. That single troubleshooting tip. Check APN and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.